Hi guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to fix Google Chrome not opening on your Windows. First, right-click at the taskbar. Then click Task Manager. In here, you need to close all the Chrome file that you see. Just right-click on it, then tap End Task. Make sure to end all of it. Just scroll down and find all the Google file that you will see. Once it's done, close it. Then right-click on Google, tap Open File Location. Then you need to rename your Chrome. Once it's done, put it in your desktop shortcut. After that, open it. Then you can now open your Google. Then that's it. That's how you fix Google Chrome that is not opening in your Windows. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you on my next tutorials.